In this video, let's take a look at how to sign up for Evernote. Evernote is a note-taking software that helps you and organize digital notes. So by using Evernote, you can organize all of your notes and even file them and sync them across all of the devices that you use. To successfully sign up for Evernote, first of all, open up the website of Evernote, which is called evernote.com. Once you search for this, you can see this is the website. Now to create an account, you can click on the sign up button. Now there are a few plans that you can choose for Evernote. There is also a free and a paid plan. So you can take a look at these descriptions and choose the account or the plan that you want. Just click on get started if you want the free plan, and you need to start off by typing in your email address or the password. Or you can also use your Google account to immediately sign up. So just click on the Google and choose the Google account that you're using, and you'll be instantly signed up for Evernote. But however, for this video, I'm going to use the email address. Type in the email address, and in the second box, type in the password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, which should also include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you typed in both of these information, click on continue. And as easy as that, you have now successfully created your account of Evernote. Now you need to select a few details about yourself and how you're going to use Evernote. So that was a real quick and easy video on how to sign up for Evernote. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.